I'm sorry. And yeah, today is Mother's Day, obviously.
We gingen ook veel met een hele Italiaanse brigade. Hadden we geleerd hebben. En zelf eigenlijk een economist. En heeft hij zijn studie opgegeven om deze machine. Well, he's talk good about you, and Frans. Tell me about.
And now she's making the cappuccino. It looks so yummy. Making her yummy, yummy cappuccino. And we need another cappuccino. We need
Today, Jabu. Today is Mother's Day.
yes. She's cutting her.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for my breakfast, ladies. Today, I'm not going to do anything. I need to be pampered today. Mom has to be pampered today. I just woke up from bed.
Yes. She's cutting them out, and the cappuccino is ready. It's yummy.
Oh, thank you so much, ladies. And okay, good, ladies. This is called Mother's Day pampering. Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, I just think.
Do you want? Hello.
Do I want what?
Do you want cheese on top of your balloon?
Yay, Jabu.
No.
In broad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I am still a kid. Or whatever. Ooh, it's looking beautiful.
One, please. Jabu, I'm still waiting for Fado. The struggle is real because he's sick.
Struggle is not real.
And we start eating her yummy balloon.
Warm up the bread again, yeah. So say what?
She's
What do you guys make for me today?
Yes, we made her a yummy melon and a cappuccino. And she's still gonna get her toast with butter and cheese. Yes, cheese.
Yeah, this is called autocast.
Yes.
This so heat.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, mommy is enjoying her breakfast. Vanda is what?
Today is Sunday on the 9th.
Yeah, the night still.
Yeah, and what is today, Vanda?
Today is Mother's Day, of course.
What is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah,
That's what
English,
she
yeah,
said.
you can say it in Dutch also, it's magnet out.
Stuff.
So you say now, what do you guys made for me? Thank you
Here's
so
her
much.
toast. Her toast is ready.
This guys.
He's gonna put some butter on top and then put some cheese that I don't really eat. I don't like cheese. Yes, and some cappuccino and a cappuccino. And we also made her a toast with cheese.
Mama
Yeah,
loves
she's
cheese.
gonna put cheese on
Yeah,
it.
I love
Yeah,
cheese.
she loves cheese.
I like cheese and toasty.
Yeah, I love cheese. Breakfast for mom.
Today made breakfast for mom because mom has lately been feeling tired. She's cleaning. She's working hard and she has cleaning.
She's working hard on YouTube.
And today
Napkin,
she's
napkin.
working hard on YouTube. And today this is what she deserves.
Oh, thank you so much, my princess. This is what I deserve, actually, yes. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for making me breakfast because the breakfast is so nice, you see. My cappuccino, I love melon.
Now?
Mama is enjoying herself.
Mom is enjoying herself.
She's having a nice breakfast today.
Nice.
Thank you so much, guys. I'm enjoying my breakfast now. Thank you, guys.
Okay, now my
Cut.
My hug.
I had a lovely breakfast today from the girls.
Here, hold it. Cut. I'm gonna shower.
Yeah, now you need to go and shower. This is my breakfast, guys. This is what the girls made for me. I love it. They are wonderful girls. So I'm just having my breakfast now. Guys, I will see you all later. So let me just enjoy my breakfast from the girls, what they made for me today. And happy Mother's Day to all the lovely mothers out there. We are all working so hard. Happy Mother's to everyone, all the lovely moms.
She's washing her face.
No, I'm applying soap on my face.
Yes. Whatever that is.
That is a black soap from Africa. It's a Ghanaian soap. because I have some spots on my face.
And now she's gonna have a very nice bath. We are now running the water so she can have a nice bath. The color is changing. And it's giving her a bubble. She's now having her bath
Now you can see
with
my
the
legs.
bubbles.
Yeah.
And her legs. The bath, that's what I meant. After the bath, she's gonna wear her clothes, do her makeup, and open up her presents. Surprise, surprise. The cream.
Yeah, aloe vera.
Ooh, aloe vera.
Yeah.
Now she's going to pick her clothes to wear for Mother's Day. She has a lot of clothes here.
Not a lot of clothes. We wear with clothes. I love fashion.
I
God.
mean, I like fashion too, but not like that.
You are just growing up. That's why I think I'm gonna wear this one today.
Oh,
I
yeah.
love this one. Yeah.
Mom is now gonna do her makeup, and then she's gonna go open her presents up.
Yeah.
And see the gifts we got. Is that foundation?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm learning from James Jones.
Yeah, because you don't do any makeup.
No, I don't do any makeup.
I have two makeups that I mix together.
Oh.
Guys, I'm still on my Mother's Day retreat. This is what I got for my Mother's Day presents. So I'm just gonna unwrap my presents now. This is, oh, I love this one. Oh my God, this is so lovely and beautiful.
So cute.
Oh, it's cute. I love it. Just gonna. I love this flower, guys. Can you see how beautiful this flower is? The love sign here is everything, guys. I have the perfect Mother's Day today, the perfect gift today, what I got. The flower is so nice. I love it. Guys, I'm pampered today. I am being spoiled. I am spoiled all the time. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead now and open my presents. This is what I got. I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm so curious to see what I got, guys. So let me just go ahead and open my presents for my Mother's Day presents. What is this? This. Oh, what is this? Like kind of like
It's a chain.
chain or something? Oh,
Chains.
okay. This gold one.
It's kind of like
I
a necklace.
love it.
It's not really cool.
It's kind of like a necklace. Yeah, it's a necklace,
Yeah.
I think.
No. It looks
Oh,
like
it's
a chain
nice.
there.
Can you guys see?
Oh, it matches with your outfit too.
Yeah. Oh, I love it.
It's very pretty.
It's pretty, yeah. Oh, today I'm being so pampered since in the morning, guys. You see? Oh, it's nice. Matches with my dress also. Oh,
I
beautiful.
like the other one. You have on the
And
slider.
this one. Let me open this one. Okay. This is pretty.
Chop.
I love to smell good.
I was just about to say chop.
I love to smell good, guys.
You like
Oh,
that thing,
he's Roger. He's Roger. I don't know. He's a French designer. Buy some products like
Yes. Roger.
body creams, perfumes. Yeah.
Leaves copy.
Is Roger. Is Roger. I don't know how to pronounce it in French. Okay. Let me see. I don't want to spoil my nail polish because I just apply my nail polish.
Should I do it for you?
No,
Yeah.
no.
You are in it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Oh, okay.
Ooh,
Okay.
it's nice. Ooh, it's gold.
Yes, yeah, it's gold. Everything is gold today, so I have the perfect Mother's Day.
Everything.
Everything is gold.
Everything is
I'm gonna
gold.
snitch on you.
You're not gonna snitch on
Oh,
me,
I love this
Joe.
smell. It's
Yeah.
nice. It's nice.
She's probably just gonna throw it away anyways.
Yeah, Joe, you need to wait first. Let me open it.
No, she's not.
See,
gonna
be
throw
like
it away.
Michelle. She doesn't
Right.
snitch on me.
What the presents was.
I didn't even snitch on you in the first place.
Okay.
I was
Guys,
about to, but I didn't.
I
so
am
didn't-
being spoiled today and pampered. What is this?
Uh,
Oh, head towel. Yeah, I love turban.
Ooh,
Yeah.
hotel collection.
Yeah,
So
this is a turban. I love it because I normally wear hair towel on my head when I'm going for shower. So it's nice. I love it. Okay. This is another present that I got. Let me see what is
Okay,
inside
so
this
I was
one.
going as last.
No, probably
Yeah,
not.
probably no. Yours is coming second to last, Jawu.
Yeah, Joe. This one, the
So
big
yeah,
one is
the big
going
one is
after
coming
us.
last, Jawu. So that's the one I'm going to check
Okay.
and see.
Clothes.
What is this?
I knew it. Clothes.
90.
Like a
Oh, it's kind of
pajama.
like pajamas. Like in
That's
the,
what I just
yeah,
said.
it's nice.
That didn't
Yeah,
work.
I have a new pajama.
That didn't work either.
Yeah, it's nice, guys. So I got a
Wow,
new
that
pajama.
worked.
So that one also, let me put that one there. Yes.
How
Jawu,
did you?
this one is from you,
Oh,
baby.
oh,
I love
oh,
you.
oh,
Thank you
oh,
so
oh,
much.
yes.
Yeah.
Just rip the thing out.
How do you? How am I going to open this? Jawu?
If you let it fall, it breaks. So.
Oh,
So don't let it fall.
okay. Oh, okay. Jawu, what
I feel
did
like
you
it's a painting.
make for me? Oh.
No, the other way. Just.
Yeah, it's just need to open it first. Oh, this is nice, baby.
Yeah. No.
Oh, this is from my. Oh, guys, did you
Yeah,
see
that-
this?
Yeah,
This is from my chat.
we were
We
forced to
called
make
chat
that
the last
school,
time
so
in
it's
Gambia
not
chat. Oh, guys, I love this from Jabu.
Yeah. yeah,
Oh, come on, give me a hug, baby. I love this. How
Yeah.
did you make this, baby? How did you
I
make
was
this?
just forced to make that at school. So.
Oh, it's nice. It's nice.
So it's
I
not
love
my-
it, baby.
so
I
it's-
love it.
so
I
it's
wish
not
it
my-
has something to stand so that I can just put it at my wardrobe
Oh,
at
yeah.
night. Yeah. But I'm just gonna. I love it, Jabu. Thank you so much, baby. I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. I love you, mom. Thanks, baby. Thanks a lot. How did you make this in school, Jabu? So this is the bigger one and the last one that I am going to unwrap.
Like the best for the last.
Yeah, this one. I just need to
The
cut it
biggest
because
for last. That's
it's for
why
me.
I say it.
obviously I always love to save these ribbons and things, but I don't even know how they wrap this. It's very nice. I think I can just unwrap it very nicely and see. Oh, it's, yeah. Oh, yeah.
The bag's so lame.
I don't want to destroy it, so I just want to unwrap it very nicely.
I can smell the perfume.
Yeah, it smells nice.
Yeah. Today I am being pampered, Jabu. You see? Since in the morning. Oh, guys, I don't want this to waste my time. Let me just cut this out.
Has to look out for choker.
Okay.
We're gonna ruin it.
This is the bigger present that I got
Just buy your
for
own
my
choker.
Mother's Day gift. I am so blessed. I am so happy. I cannot even thank God, guys. I love to be a mom. I always love to be a mom. So I have lovely guys. Oh, guys, I have been wanting this perfume. Carolina Herrera. Carolina Herrera.
Why is
She's
it so
a
big?
Venezuelan designer. I actually love her clothes. I love her designer line. So I love this perfume. I'm gonna try
How
this.
did Dad even find that?
Yeah, this is my biggest gift, guys. Guys, let me see and open this. I love this lady's clothes. I love her clothes. I love her perfumes. I love her bags. She's a Venezuelan designer. I think she's based in the US, but I love her clothing line. Okay, see, guys, this is my best and the bigger gift that I got for Mother's Day. Okay. Ooh, red,
Everything
guys.
matches today.
Everything matches today with my dress. Guys, can you see this? Gorgeous. Guys, I love perfumes. I love to smell good. I love good things. Guys, life is too short. You need to live your life and enjoy yourself. Guys, can you see this? I cannot get enough of this. It's so lovely and nice. It's beautiful. It matches perfectly well with my dress today. This is body lotion. Oh, I love the velvet here. It's so nice.
Oh yeah, feels nice.
Guys, I need to pamper myself today. Let me just apply this. Yeah. Oh, this
Smells nice?
smells good. Yeah. It smells so
Oh,
good.
yeah, it
Oh
smells
my
good.
gosh.
Oh, okay.
Can you smell this?
No, I didn't want to smell.
Guys, I
I
love
want to put this
it.
in your hair, but
This is so beautiful. This is the small one.
The
This
itty
is
bitty
like-
why
one.
is it so small?
I don't want to spoil my nail polish, but
Shall I?
yeah. Let me just see.
Okay.
Ah, come on.
Should I help
I'm
you?
struggling.
Yeah,
You see,
guys.
this struggle
Kila
is
kayak belum
real.
fit ini because I don't fit into someone that.
Yeah.
Hey. wait, guys.
They broke it.
No,
No, we
it's not
didn't.
broken. Put this one back. I'm just gonna go ahead. This one.
Nobody
and this one
noticed
is,
this,
This
okay?
one is the small one, and this one
The
is the
itty
bigger
bitty
one.
one. Just like
What's
your
this?
back.
Pull it.
Oh, no.
No.
Oh, this is like for the
I have a mask on.
that
Guys,
I don't know what
look.
name.
I have a mask
Yeah,
on.
I just need to pull it like
You
that.
like
This one is
it?
kind of like.
Like for I don't know.
It's so pretty.
Does it smell nice?
Ah, yeah, it's
Oh,
nice.
yeah.
This one is the
Let's
small
smell it.
one. Can you smell this, ladies? Can you smell
You
this?
wanna smell
You
it?
see, it's nice to have.
If you don't mind, I'll just put it off here.
I need to take the big one and try the big
No,
one.
you
This
can't
one is
smell
the
it.
small one. So let me try the big one out.
Yeah, Joe, you see?
Oh my
The
gosh!
struggle is real here.
Wow!
That's literally what I said in the morning.
Carolina Herrera. She's a Venezuelan artist, if I'm not mistaken. I love her clothes. I love her designer items. Guys,
It's so pretty.
it smells so good.
No.
Smells
should-
good.
oh,
Ladies,
yeah.
you see, treat yourself.
OMG.
Life is too short. Treat yourself with good
can you do
things.
some
Treat
of my
yourself
hands?
with nice things. Yeah, I don't want to spoil this. Guys, this is all my
going back
unboxing for my presents for Mother's Day.
Imagine going to school
This is
with
all
this.
what I got, guys. I am so blessed. I am thankful. I am grateful, guys. So I said thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. This is all my unboxing, guys. This is what I got. So need to put back. This is my designer perfume. This is what I got for Mother's
Oh,
Day.
it smells so good.
Matches so well with my dress.
You want
Love
to smell it?
The smell is so good, guys.
Fast, can you explain?
I love it. So I'm just gonna put everything back, close it, and little.
Now stack everything on top of each other.
So now I'm just gonna say, guys, this is what I got for my Mother's Day, and the other presents here. I am grateful. I am thankful for everything that I have in my life, for the kids, for the wonderful 3 guys that are in my life, for my man. So guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm saying happy Mother's Day to all the lovely mothers out there, especially to my mom. She's not here with me today. I miss her so much. So I am by her side today. I miss my mom. So I'm missing everybody. Hope you have a wonderful day, and happy Mother's Day to all the amazing moms, to all the wonderful moms out there. So guys, this is the end of the vlog. This is all my presents for my Mother's Day. I am pampered today. I love it. I love all my presents. I'm saying thank you, God. I am grateful. I am, how do you say, humble. I am happy. I am
Thankful.
everything for the wonderful breakfast you guys made for me today. Guys, this is the end of the vlog. I'm gonna leave you guys till I come your way again next week, hopefully. So guys, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next vlog. Bye. And happy Mother's Day. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.